and this is what I'm expecting now. Currently prices on this key level here, on the 4-hour breaker level, so I'm expecting buys from this level here. And if you look close, you see that I was already buying from this level here before. Previously on my buy, I was buying from this level before I saw any opportunity on this side here, which is this level now. So let's see how it goes. I'll be updating you guys on it. And yeah. Oh, what's up everybody? Good morning. So today another day. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, so this is the day in the life of a forex trader. So I'll be going through my so guys, I'll be going through my stuff today. Currently outside, and I want to do some stuff. Yeah, probably get some things done actually. Let's see. So it's quite very hot today, bro. Very hot. But anyways, yeah, I'll be back. Up everybody, good evening everybody. So the trade that I dropped for you guys back this morning, this morning, it is stop loss. We had one loss this week, one loss. So anyways, yeah, I will good evening man. Anyway, so I will be going and I will show you guys the setup. But for now, I'm currently washing clothes, so I prefer to wash clothes in the night. But yeah, so it was a actually I was even thinking that the trade was gonna go well, but it did not really go well. And if you're a newbie on this market this year, last year, you suffer because the market is not really playing this time around. But anyways, yeah, just the thoughts. Outside washing clothes and all that. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys the trade. So hello everybody. So this was the setup I dropped, which I took a loss. I took a loss on this setup here. I dropped it for you guys. I showed you guys this trade previously. So if you look closely, you see that it did not play out well. It sold back down and it took me out of the setup. So I switched my buyers to bearish. So now what I'm expecting is I'm expecting something like this. I'm expecting my price to rally up a little and come back into this level, and we'll continue going down, because on a normal basis yesterday night I had this setup from here before it started moving. I had this setup, so I did not really catch it. And it was a nice missed entry on my own end. But yeah, so I'm trying to enter the continuation of this selling of this market from here. So once price gets to this level, let me see if it will tag me in, and I'll follow the price and come back down. So I'll be updating you guys. Alright, yeah, so as I was saying before, the previous trade hit stop loss, so I'm expecting price to come into this one. But so price came into this one and it sold. I did not really catch this trade because I was not around when I marked it out before it played out. But I left my phone and my laptop, so I was not able to catch it, because when I came back, I already triggered and started selling to the downside. So what I'm expecting now is I'm expecting price to come into this particular key level. Once price gets into this level here, I'm expecting it to sell. So I'm still waiting to see the outcome of this setup. So I will update you guys on this setup. This is my second trade for the week. This one was missed. I was not able to catch them because I was not online on this one. Why this particular one? I was online, but my phone I don't know this week. It was a missed setup anyways. But let's see how the next one goes. So what's up everybody? So this week I fucked up this week though. I took about 2 losses this week. One first loss and second loss, coupled with my last week loss, which was on this trade here. So I had about 3 losses in a row. Now on these 3 losses in a row, my biggest mistake was that I was not able to catch this 1-2 setup here. Because why? I missed this setup because I was not online. While on this one, I saw the setup, but I did not enter it. Why? Because I was not paying attention. I was doing some other stuff, so I missed the setup. So I missed this 2 good setup and I lost on these 2, which is hilarious, because normal man, this is trading. For every mistake you make, you pay a very big price on it. So for this mistake, I paid the price of losing 2 times this week and losing once last week. But my happiness is that I was able to control my risk and not over trade and lose a lot. So I saw this setup here, and since this trade here still looks valid in my eyes, I saw this setup here, so I entered it, but I risked a little on it. So what I'm expecting now is, if price will come back down to this level, I should close in profit. But if it goes against me, then I know that okay, I'll follow it start again next week, and we'll continue to see how the market is going to go. But I will be updating you guys on this setup, and let's see how it goes. Good morning, everybody. So that setup I dropped on Bitcoin, the other one that is finally hit TP after like 2 losses like this week. Anyways, the trade itself, I would have actually made profit this week from the previous trade, but because of I missed the other two, so that was what messed up my win rate this week. But anyways, we hit TP this weekend, and yeah, I will give you guys an update when I get back on how the stuff played out. So what's up, everybody? Welcome again to my channel. So okay, this was the setup I took. Before I told you guys, this is the 4-hour time frame. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame based on this thing. So I dropped the setup for you guys previously, and this was it. I told you guys that I missed these two setup here previously, and I took a loss. I caught these 2 loss, which was fucked up anyways. But yeah, so I was able to take this here and cash a good trade. We hit it. We hit take profits around there. So it was a nice trade. Actually, it took about how many, from Saturday to Sunday, let's say Saturday night. Same